Sure, by now you've realized, as our name suggests, that Pioneer Metal Roofing does metal roofing projects. However, this is not everything that we offer. Today we're going to talk about a couple of the other services that we provide to our customers as well. The first is post-frame additions. Pioneer has a dedicated team of sales and design professionals that specialize in bringing your addition project to life. We can add on to most existing structures, whether it be an existing pole building or even your house. Next service that we offer are pole building repairs and alterations. Now this can be as simple as adding snow guards to an existing building, changing out some damaged trim, or a full-fledged reskin on the building. Pioneer also offers seamless gutter services. We offer these both residentially and commercially in 5 and 6 inch sizes. Pioneer's install team roll forms the gutter on site to ensure that it's one continuous piece, prevents any seams that could lead to leaking. If you have any project that you think Pioneer may be able to assist you with, please do not hesitate to give us a call. More than happy to talk through the project that you have and see if it's something that we could be a potential fit for.